My name is Mia, and I am going to read today two books. One is called A Big Guy Took My Ball, and one by Mo Williams, and one is called The Gingerbread Man. So I'm going to let you choose. Illustrated by Barbara Meadow and retold by Jim Qualworth. So, if you picked A Guy Took My Ball or A Gingerbread Man, count it in below. And I'm gonna guess you took A Big Guy Took My Ball. Gerald! I found a big ball, and it was so fun. And then a big guy came and he took my ball! I am so upset. Here's a little heartbroken. That is not good. That is not right. Big guys have all the fun. What about the little guys? What makes those big guys think they are so big? Their size? Well, I am big too. I will get your ball from that big guy. My hero. Here I go. Let's see how big this big guy is. He's shocked. Now he's going backwards. Did you get my ball back? That is a big guy. You did not say how big he was. He is very big. He is bigger than I am. Much bigger. I am smaller than he is. Much smaller. He is so big, Gerald. Did you get my ball back? My big ball, did you? He's like, I did not. Excuse me! Thank you for finding my little ball! That is your ball? And you think it is little? Well, I am big! So big that no one will play with me. Little guys have all the fun. Big guy, would you like to play whale ball with us? What is whale ball? We do not know. We have not made it up yet. With a little help, we could have all the fun. Big fun! If you know where the pigeon is, click it. Okay. Now, thank you if you watch this. Get a notification if I send it out another video. And subscribe to my channel, just one. This is the first one. Actually, I think you saw Spring is Here. In the next video, I am going to read Gingerbread Man. If you guys picked that, I'm gonna read it next. Thank you for watching this channel. Subscribe and get a notification. Bye.